All right, what's going on, guys? Man, it's a hot one today, but hey, I got work to do. So in between me tiling my bathroom, video for that coming out soon if I can edit it all together. Then paint it, but I'll show you guys a cheap and inexpensive way to prime your engine. Wait. Before we go on, have you subscribed yet? If not, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. All right, now let's get into it and show you how to do this. Instead of buying that pump and doing all this and that bucket of stuff, and I don't know how much all that costs, that pump and that bucket, but this is a real cheap way to do it. Probably, I don't know, 10 bucks, 15 bucks maybe. All right, so I'll show you everything you need. Drill oil pump, not oil pump, but water pump. Okay, now I didn't have one, luckily. I was looking through my toolbox and I had one from before. So I went to get this and a hose. So we're gonna connect those onto this and show you how to prime your engine the cheap way. Okay. Here is the oil valley plug that you need to take out, or that you need to feed it into. So, thank you, Noah. So, you need an adapter to go from the plug to a fitting. Now, I'll try to find a straight fitting as well. Luckily, I had this one. All right, so this is, if you go to any auto parts store, the oil setting unit plugs should fit in there. That's where I got this from. But I had one in my toolbox as well. Leave that on. All right, so I believe this is a 16 millimeter by 1.5 threads, and you just need the same on the other end to accept fittings. All right, I took a lot of playing around. I don't remember exactly what threads these were, but let's go ahead and show you how to prime it. The water pump is gonna be these hoses. Now, make sure you put the gasket in here as well.
I didn't use this as well.
Use it. It says in and out on it. So just on the inside, just on the out. Now, before I use it, I'm gonna flush it out because it's been sitting in my toolbox for a while.
Yep.
And then go ahead. All right, cool. There we go. I got it all primed up for the pump. Put Teflon on now, but we'll see. All right, so the point is, you want to prime it with this setup until, so once you get oil coming out of here and trickling down, you know it's primed good enough. All right, so let's go ahead and start priming. It doesn't look like it's leaking, so let's hope it's pumping in. Ooh, it is pumping in. I forgot to cap that off. It was pumping in pretty good because it squirted out. That's what he said. All right, so I didn't find a cap, but I do have my refrigeration Schrader valve, or Schrader core removal. Now, it has a ball valve on it. All right, so use this to block off the same threads. So we're gonna use this to block off my turbo drain. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and that was just a quick tip on how I prime my engine. So hopefully we have this thing back in the car soon. Got my trans, got my converter. Everything should be done on the engine. All I gotta do is put all the sensors on it, the knot sensor, the oil pressure sensors, and set the thing in the car. So if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe for sure. And we'll see you next time.